Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello little friends. Draw and color your own camera. Add some fun details like buttons, lenses, and a flash.
Awesome! Awesome! Whoa! Cool! Awesome! Cool! Perfect!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.